Hi guys, I am doing my presentation about the male reproductive system. The male reproductive system is important to produce more kids, and it also delivers testosterone to the body of the male during puberty, which is good because it helps with muscle mass, fat, strength, fat distribution, bone mass, and sex drive. The primary hormones in the male are FSH, which is a follicle stimulating hormone, and LH, luteinizing hormone. And this is produced by the pituitary gland. LH stimulates production of testosterone, and FSH is necessary for sperm production. The male reproductive system is made up of internal and external structures. The main external structure is the penis. The penis has 3 different parts. The root, which is the part that is attached to the wall of the abdomen. The shaft, which is the body of the penis that has 3 internal chambers and sponge-like tissue with large empty spaces that when the male is aroused, fill with blood. The skin on the penis is loose and elastic. The third part of the penis are the glands. The end of the penis, which is also known as the head, and is covered with a loose layer of skin, which is also known as the foreskin. The foreskin can be removed with a procedure called circumcision. And the opening of the urethra is also located at the tip of the penis. Another big part of the external reproductive structures is the testicles. These organs are about the size of a large olive and are secured with the spermatic cord. This makes testosterone and produces sperm. It also has seminiferous tubules, which produce sperm cells through spermatogenesis. Is it filming? Okay. The scrotum is a loose pouch of skin hanging just behind the penis. It holds the testicles and protects them. It also controls the temperature. Special muscles allowed it to come back in for warmth and go out to get cooler. Put it there. Okay. The epididymis is a long coiled tube at the back of each testicle. This carries and stores the sperm cells, and they bring sperm to maturity. The internal reproductive structures are also very important to the male reproductive system. One part of this is the vas deferens. This is a long tube, and it goes from the epididymis to the pelvic cavity to just behind the bladder, and it transports sperm to the urethra to prepare for ejaculation. The ejaculation ducts are also important because they are a fusion of the vas deferens and the seminal vesicles. They empty into the urethra. Speaking of the seminal vesicles, they are sac-like pouches that attach to the vas deferens near the base of the bladder. They make fructose to energize sperm and help motility. This fluid actually makes up most of the ejaculate, not the sperm. Another internal male reproductive structure is the prostate gland. This is a walnut-sized structure below the bladder in front of the rectum. This makes more fluid for the ejaculate to nourish it, so it's pretty similar to the seminal vesicles. The last internal structure I'm going to talk about today is the bulbourethral/Cowper's glands. These are pea-sized and produce clear, slippery liquid that empties into the urethra. This lubricates the urethra and neutralizes acidity. Some of the problems that can include with having a penis are things like erectile dysfunction. And this is when the male has an inability to get and keep an erection during intercourse, which can make it difficult to ejaculate, which can make it difficult to have kids. Something else that can occur with having a penis is a hypospadia. And this is when the urethra does not end at the tip of the penis and ends somewhere else. And a surgery is needed to correct the defect in the opening of the penis and put it at the right spot.
I personally know someone who had a hypospadia surgery, and from what I know now, they're perfectly normal.
Me and your daughter got a special thing going on. You say it's puppy love, we say it's full grown. Hope that we feel this way forever. You can plan a pretty picnic, but you can't predict the weather. Miss Jackson. 10 times out of 9, now if I'm blind, fine. The quickest muzzle through it on my mouth and all decline. King meets queen and the puppy love thing together. Dream about the crib with the Goodyear swing and the oak tree. I hope we feel like this forever, 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 ever, forever.